Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Saw Shack. Welcome to all the new subscribers. And thanks to everybody that's been hanging out here for quite a while. And for all the folks that have been here for the entire journey. I really appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. Sometimes out here in the Saw Shack, I get to thinking about the past 3 years of our YouTube journey. It's been a lot of fun, and we're about to have a whole lot more fun. Anyway, we've got an unboxing today from JonBob Millwright. Thank you, JonBob. I appreciate it, buddy. JonBob helped along the way of convincing me. Goats, Aaron Lynch, also, convinced me. So let's get to it. Let's just open it up. Let's see what's in the box. I know what's in the box, but and now it's in the middle of the night. It's like 1:30 or something in the morning. Oh, we've got that. We've got this. And we've got this. Let's put the knife down for a minute. I'm going to put this down here. Okay. JonBob said there's a note in here somewhere. I wonder where that's at. There's a hint. I don't see the note in the box. It's not stuck to the bottom. Oh, there it is. There it is in the bag. Let's read the note. Okay, here's the note. There are many high-performance mods to this saw. As always, run 32-to-1 mix. I sent several extra parts, mufflers to try, and bolts for them with an extra gasket. There has been 2 tanks through it. I already know what muffler ran the best by a large margin. Have fun testing. Hugs from West Virginia. JonBob Millwright. All right, let's open it. Thank you, JonBob. Have fun testing. See if we can get in it. Nice wrap job, JonBob. 2 tanks. So we still got some wiggle room on the break-in, hey? That's awesome. Super awesome. Look at that. JonBob kept the box that it came in and everything. See if we can get this outer layer off. Look at this. Look at this. So anyway, I was telling you what time it was because I can't start it. And that's the only reason that I won't start it right now. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. $3.95. What is TazMan gonna do with a $3.95? I know one thing's for sure. I know one thing is for sure. We're gonna get bigger dogs. That's for sure. But first, oh, let's do that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I want to run it. And that pipe, look at that pipe. Look at that pipe that we get to try. It's really super open. Really, really open. We might try to close that a little bit, because it looks like nice work on that muffler though, JonBob. Wow. That's really nice work. I gotta pull the rope once. Oh. Oh, she's got, oh my gosh. This is crazy. What do I need here? Oh, Allen wrench. We got to put this together, okay? See the difference in them dogs? Oh, yeah. That's what's going on there. Oh, yeah, see that? Farmertec. Look at that big old dog. This is the one that came off it. Oh, yeah. That's sick. For the working man. That's right. Those dogs are sick. And of course, oh yes, full wrap. Okay. Just for fun. JonBob's building these mufflers. See that spark arrestor in there? Yeah. And it's removable. So I'm gonna take this pipe off, because I'm pretty positive that it's way too open. Well, if we use this, when we use this pipe, I will shrink this down. I'll try it first, but then we're going to shrink this down. But to start with, I'm going to start with this muffler. Got full wrap on there. Oh yeah. Got that muffler on there. Got that side port blocked off. Just one single port there. Yep. That's what we're going to start with. We're going to try that. Look at that. Huh? Oh my gosh, that is a big saw. You guys, come on, folks. What are we gonna do with that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't wait to fall a tree with it. Gosh, that is awesome, JonBob. Thank you so much, buddy. Thanks for all the work. Thanks for letting me know when it was on sale. If you're thinking about getting a saw and want a well-built saw, talk to JonBob Millwright and Aaron Lynch. Talk to them guys. Just talk to them. Pick their brains. Talk to them about these saws. I'm ready to run it. Anyway, thank you, JonBob. I appreciate it, buddy. I cannot wait to run this. It might be on, I might have the initial startup on this video. We'll see. All right, everybody. I hope you have a great day. I truly do. And help somebody else have a better day. Johnny Arnett, thank you, buddy. For the long straight Allens. They work awesome. For tight bolts, they work great for breaking them loose. I couldn't do it. I could have done it with this, but see that ball on the end of it? These ones with the ball on the end of it, some of them, they have a tendency to break that ball off. And then you don't have a ball anymore. So that's why I went to this beauty. Thank you very much, Johnny Arnett. Thanks, JonBob Millwright. I appreciate you, brother, a lot. You got a lot of saws going out there. Like I said, there's a lot of these saws that are out in whatever. If you want to see another 395 running, go check out Jake Mesa's channel. He's got a JonBob Skunkworks 395 logging. Okay? It has some extra stuff put in it and whatever, but go check out his channel too. All right, love y'all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling with a big 395. Right, goats? Yeah, brother. Stay tuned. We're getting close, buddy. We're getting close. Thank you, brother.